Welcome back Lucifer fans to another Season 5 update, where we're going to reveal some of the new faces that you will see in the upcoming season. If you want more info on the release date of Part 1 of Season 5, check out our previous video that's linked in the description below or click here. Here are the new cast members on Lucifer Season 5. Before we get on with the video, we want you to know that we make new videos every day, so make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Hey everyone, welcome to Trend Street.
The identity of God has remained a mystery throughout the series. However, that's going to change as actor Dennis Haysbert has been cast as God in the upcoming season. Haysbert is best known for his role as President David Palmer in the action drama series 24, where he co-starred with Lucifer actor D.B. Woodside. Haysbert was cast in the recurring role for Season 5 in January this year. Lucifer creator Neil Gaiman revealed that he was involved in the casting decision and thinks Haysbert is the right man to play Lucifer's father. Leslie Ann Brandt, who plays Maze, also praised her new co-star for his portrayal of God. In her interview with Entertainment Tonight, the actress revealed that Maze will cross paths with God and ask him for a huge favor. Dennis Haysbert is really just a gorgeous actor and there's really great work between these two characters, she told the news outlet. As you may or may not know, we got the first new cast announcement for Season 5 back in September 2019. Actor and stuntman Eric Aude has been cast in the role of Rod and he will be appearing in the first episode. Eric has appeared in several movies and TV shows including NCIS, Sons of Anarchy, The Last Ship, CSI Crime Scene Investigation, and Shameless. Brianne Davis, who you may recognize from History Channel Series 6, will be playing a detective in one episode. Star Trek Enterprise actress Erin Cummings will appear in the second episode, which has been titled Lucifer, 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 which will also star actor Matthew Borer. Shaylee Rose will play the character Destiny Page. Rose is best known for her role in the ABC drama series Nashville. Stay tuned for more Lucifer content.
Thank you for checking this video out. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. Turn that bell notification on if you want to hear from us and comment down below if you've subscribed and we'll make sure to reply and thank as many of you as we possibly can.